Hello everybody, we're here at an event and we have Ashley and her daughter Brentley here who's going to try out the Pro hair ties for the first time. So have you guys ever seen these before?
No.
Never seen them in ads or anything
Nope.
online? No friends have them?
No.
Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and try it out. So they already grabbed one here, so let's go ahead and put it in like a normal hair tie, so just wrap it twice. Okay, awesome. Let's see. What is going
one more time?
on? Oh, sorry, I got so distracted. I didn't know if they were about to fight or something. Anyway, so how does that feel? It's loose, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll trim it. So go ahead and we'll show the camera actually. So here you go. So you can see. So it's actually kind of loose here. It kind of slides down. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it off and trim off a little section just to make it a little bit more snug. Good. So for hers, I think with that, we'll just trim off 4.
Okay.
So the whole idea is you want it to be like as snug as possible without like being too tight.
Okay.
You just don't want it to slide. So let's try this one and just wrap it twice again.
Sorry if I pulled your hair.
There you go.
That's better.
Yeah. How is that? Is that better? That's actually pretty secure. That's not going to go anywhere, which is perfect for like a low pony there. If you want to do a high pony, I would probably take a normal one and just wrap it 3 times.
Okay.
But what do you think of that?
Yeah.
Does it feel pretty secure?
Uh-huh.
What are some like typical hair tie problems that you've experienced with
Tangling.
Tangling?
Yes, tangling.
I've experienced that it pulls your hair out.
Pulls
Yes,
your hair
it pulls your hair
You've
out.
experienced the pain? Okay, awesome. And then we can pop that one off,
Okay.
and then you can see.
Woo!
So is that better?
Easy.
So-
That was so easy.
Yeah, would you recommend like other moms who have younger kids to try it out with their daughters?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And you can wear it as a bracelet. Yay!
Awesome, guys.
Cool.
Well, thank you so much for trying it out and sharing like the first time
Thank
experience,
you.
and then
Appreciate
you
it.
can keep that one as well.
Thank you.